Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Creality Slicer support that is hard to remove. So there's multiple ways to do this, but the number one way is to, of course, change the support pattern. So heading over to support, instead of using something like the tree manual, the automatic manual, you want to go ahead and change this into the organic option. Now, basically changing the support style from tree to organic, it lets you less material and a fewer touch some parts of your model, and they are much easier to also break. Now, from there, we want to modify the top Z distance, which is going to be this one. This is the most critical settings because it controls the vertical gap between the support and the bottom of your print. Now, instead of using the default one, which is 0.2, let's increase it by 1 millimeter or 0.1. So now it's 0.3. And you also want to enable the support roof if it's available on your option right here. And you also want to lower down the support density from 10% to maybe 5%. So it's going to be inside this option. Just simply lower it down. So once again, it will make fewer touches with your actual model. And so after making these changes, you have successfully fixed the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.